Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. So friends, today's lecture we discuss about pharmacology chapter parasympathetics or anticholinergics. So friends, I request you to all please watch this video till the end. Let's start without wasting our time. Topics covered under this video. Which topics we are cover today's lecture? These are a definition of anticholinergics, pharmacological actions of atropine, uses of atropine, adverse effects of atropine, and atropine poisoning. In this chapter, we discuss about detailed study of atropine. Parasympathetics. Definition. These are the drugs which block the cholinergic receptor present in the organs supplied by cholinergic nerves. These are the drugs which blocks the cholinergic receptor present in the organ supplied by cholinergic nerves. Example, atropine and hyoscine. They block only muscarinic actions of acetylcholine. Next point, atropine. It is obtained from plant Atropa belladonna. Mechanisms of action of atropine. Atropine shows competitive antagonism with acetylcholine at muscarinic receptor. Atropine has higher affinity for muscarinic receptor than the acetylcholine, but it has no efficacy. Atropine does not interfere with the release of acetylcholine in the skeletal muscles. Hence, its nicotinic actions remain unchanged. The blockage of muscarinic receptor produced by the atropine can be overcome by increasing the concentration of acetylcholine. These are the simple mechanism of action of atropine. Pharmacological actions of atropine. Action on glands, action on smooth muscles, action on CNS, central nervous system, action on cardiovascular system, action on urinary system, and last one, action on eyes. Let's see one by one in detail. Action on glands. What is the atropine action on glands? Pharmacological actions. First, salivary glands. Action on salivary glands. Atropine decreases the salivary secretion and produces dryness of mouth. Hence, there may be difficulty in swallowing. Second, B. Gastric glands. Atropine produces a decrease in gastric acid secretion and thus reduces acidity. C. Bronchial secretion. Atropine reduces bronchial and nasal secretion, hence, it can be used in anticold tablet. D. Sweat secretion. Atropine reduces the sweat secretion and leads to increase the body temperature, that is pyrexia. Action on smooth muscles. First one, GIT. Atropine decreases the contraction of intestinal smooth muscles, which reduces the peristalsis. Hence, atropine is known as spasmolytic. And action on bronchial muscles. Atropine causes the relaxation of bronchial muscles. Hence, it can be used to reducing bronchospasm. These are the pharmacological action on smooth muscles. Action on CNS. What is the action on central nervous system? Atropine causes the stimulation of medulla oblongata, which stimulates the respiration and increases the rate of respiration. Hence, atropine can be used for treating the respiratory depression produced by the anticholinesterase. Action on cardiovascular system. Atropine produces an increased heart rate, that is tachycardia. Sometimes it leads to cardiac arrhythmia. Action on urinary system. Atropine increases the secretion of antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, which decreases in the diuresis. Hence, there is urine retention. Action on eyes. On local administration, atropine produces mydriasis, that is increase in pupil size. Hence, the person can see the objects which are at longer distance, but he fails to see the object at nearest distance. Adverse effects of atropine. Cycloplegia, photophobia, pyrexia, and dryness of mouth, difficulties in swallowing, retention of urine, cardiac arrhythmia, and dermatitis. These are the simple adverse effects of atropine. Therapeutic uses of atropine as a pre-anesthetic medication for reducing the excessive secretion of saliva and respiratory tract. It is used in the treatment of bradycardia, in the preparation of anticold tablet, in the ophthalmic preparations, in the treatment of Parkinsonism. It is used in peptic ulcer. Next point, contraindications of atropine. Atropine is contraindicated in chronic lung condition as it may produce drying and reduce secretion. Atropine or belladonna poisoning. Symptoms of poisoning. burning sensation of mouth, increase in thirst, photophobia, cycloplegia, urine retention, increase in body temperature, dermatitis, skin become dry and hot, confusion and hallucinations. These are the symptoms of atropine poisoning or belladonna poisoning. Treatment of poisoning: gastric lavage. Contents of GIT can be washed out due to drug can get removed from GIT. Administration of parasympathomimetics like physostigmine. Administration of IV fluids. Oxygen and artificial ventilation in the event of severe respiratory depression. Good nursing care. These are the simple treatment of atropine poisoning. Antidotes of atropine poisoning: physostigmine and neostigmine. Thank you guys for watching full video. Let's see once again from start to ending. Friends, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for pharmacy related updates. Parasympatholytics or anticholinergics, pharmacology chapter, D pharmacy second year. Topics: definition of parasympatholytics, pharmacological actions of atropine, uses of atropine, adverse effect of atropine, atropine poisoning. What is parasympatholytics? These are the drugs which blocks the cholinergic receptor present in the organ supplied by cholinergic nerves. Example: atropine and hyoscine. Atropine, what is atropine? It is obtained from plant Atropa belladonna. Mechanism of action of atropine. Atropine shows competitive antagonism with acetylcholine at muscarinic receptor. Atropine has higher affinity for muscarinic receptor than the acetylcholine, but it has no efficacy. Pharmacological actions of atropine: action on glands, action on smooth muscles, action on CNS, action on CVS, action on urinary system, and action on eyes. Action on glands: atropine decreases the salivary secretion and produces dryness of mouth. Hence, there may be difficulty in swallowing. Action on smooth muscles: it acts as a spasmolytic, which decreases the contraction of muscles. Action on CNS: atropine causes the stimulation of medulla oblongata. Action on CVS: it increases the heart rate. Action on urinary system: it increases the antidiuretic hormone, which decreases the diuresis. Action on SMI, on action on eyes. On local administration, atropine produces mydriasis, that is increase in pupil size. Adverse effects of atropine: cycloplegia, photophobia, pyrexia, dryness of mouth, difficulties in swallowing, retention of urine, cardiac arrhythmia, dermatitis, etc. Therapeutic uses of atropine: as a pre-anesthetic medication in the treatment of bradycardia because atropine increases the heart rate, in the preparation of anticold tablet, in the ophthalmic preparations, in the treatment of Parkinsonism. It is used in peptic ulcer. Contraindications: it is mainly contraindicated in chronic lung conditions. Atropine or belladonna poisoning, these are the very important topics for this topic for this chapter. Symptoms of poisoning: a burning sensation of mouth, increase in thirst, photophobia, cycloplegia, urine retention, increase in body temperature, dermatitis, fungal infection, skin become dry and hot, confusion and hallucinations. General treatment is gastric lavage or wash out GIT for material. Administration of parasympathomimetics like physostigmine, because atropine is a parasympatholytics. Administration of IV fluids, oxygen and artificial ventilation in the event of severe respiratory depression. Good nursing care. Antidotes of atropine poisoning: physostigmine and neostigmine. Thank you. These are the whole chapter notes of parasympatholytics. So friends, if you any problem about this chapter, please ask me on comment section. Let's thank you.